Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. Today I will be going to show you basic numerical operations. So to save some time, I have written a small code. First I used plus sign, then minus, then multiplication, then division, and then mod. You all are familiar with this sign. So let's print this. See, let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. It will be easy for you to see. Well, the result 10 plus 3 13, 13, 10 minus 3 7, 10 into 3 30, 10 divided by 3 3.333. You all know that. And 10 mod 3 will be 1 because 3 3s are 9, remainder is 1, that's why 1. Now if I want to do, instead of 10 I write 16, I want to write 16 everywhere, then I have to cut 10, write 16. If I want to change the 3, then again I have to write everywhere. So I will use variables here. See, suppose a equals to 12 and I take b equals to 6, then I can do is that a plus b a minus b a into b a by b and a mod b. Let's see the result. See, let me zoom it. See, that's it, easy. Suppose you have to change the value again from 12 to 10. I am changing this. Again you can see the result. Again you can see the result. Let me zoom it for you. See, and see the result. So for this we are using a variable called a and b. So I will show you the floor function. Let me cut this. It will be easy for you to understand this floor function. Just this. Let me show you. See the value floor. Let me change the value, you will understand better. 20. This is the floor function. Remember this. This is the floor function. Let me zoom it, otherwise you will not be able to understand. 3. Is it clear? Now I will show you one more function. Exponential function. Let me see. Let me take some small values. 3. B I will take 4. Okay, let's check again. See, 81 is coming. I have a pow. A to the power b. It's a to the power b. Okay. By this we end this video. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe the channel because I will be uploading Python videos every day. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.